Top 7 Best Foldable Drone in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Holystone HS510 Foldable Drone. The Holystone HS510 is a compact, foldable drone that makes for a perfect travel accessory. It's complete with a set of flight functions that make it super easy to pilot. The camera can capture stunning aerial footage, and although the flight time is only 16 minutes, it comes with 2 batteries. The HS510 is feature-rich, including flight modes such as GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, Draw Path, Tap Fly, Optical Flow Positioning, and Smart Return to Home. This drone is the best drone for beginners to start flying, given the low price and compact size. Number 6. GoPro Karma Foldable Drone. The linear recording option gives your images a natural feel by eliminating the fisheye effect that results from GoPro wide-eye lenses. The ergonomic remote control feels just like a modern gaming system. The controller's built-in monitor eliminates the need to connect a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth to view the live feed. It is a relief to not have to worry about the drone losing connection or the smartphone screen going to sleep. The ability to record ambient sound when you're flying at low levels is a very cool, unexpected bonus. The GoPro Karma drone is capable and comfortable to fly while being easily packable with propellers and landing gear that collapse for being carried. The GoPro Karma includes a removable GoPro camera, which gives you the freedom in the future to level up to a more advanced model in the future. The GoPro Karma drone is a solid buy, especially for anyone who has already invested in purchasing a GoPro camera and wants the best drone for GoPro. Number 5. Ruko Felloven Pro Foldable Drone. Ruko has added Tap Fly mode to the Felloven Pro, which allows you to draw the route that you would like it to adhere to on the app screen. The drone will automatically follow the drawn path that you mapped out for it. The return to home function ensures no risk of losing your drone even when it passes beyond this maximum range. If you were to run out of battery life while in flight, the app helps you retrieve it. The quadcopter uses powerful brushless motors that help to keep it steady in windy and obstacle-ridden conditions. However, the drone camera doesn't have a gimbal stabilizer, which may cause your videos to be a little bit shaky. It also doesn't have any sensors for obstacle avoidance, as you get with the best professional drone. The Felloven Pro is easy to use and comes with high-quality features that will impress both experienced drone pilots and amateur hobbyists. Number 4. DJI Mavic Mini Foldable Drone. DJI has added CineSmooth mode, which they say elongates the braking process. This feature can make for much smoother-looking footage during quick turns and other sharp movements. The CineSmooth mode might make up for the lack of tripod mode and the 2.7K video capabilities. Despite the integrated app offering a somewhat minimal feature set, the DJI Mavic Mini is still a high-quality foldable drone that is easy to take with you on the go. For how small this high-quality foldable drone is, the 2.7K footage stabilized by the 3-axis gimbal is nothing to scoff at. It's built well, reliable, and easy to take with you on the go. For a more immersive experience, check out our best VR drone buying guide. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2 Foldable Drone. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is an incredible high-quality balance between size, portability, and features. For a drone to take 48 MP stills, 8K hyperlapse, and 4K video at 120 mbps is impressive. The DJI Mavic Air 2 foldable drone comes equipped with AirSense, DJI alert system that receives automatic dependent surveillance broadcast, ADS-B signals from nearby crewed aircraft, and displays their location on the remote control screen. The 34-minute battery life is a significant increase from the original Air model's 21-minute flight times. DJI has also added smart photo modes to the DJI Mavic Air 2, which are similar to those on an iPhone. The 3 modes are HDR, Hyperlight, and Scene Recognition, making the folding drone's photos as dynamic as possible with a maximized tone, clarity, and color. The DJI Mavic Air 2 also comes equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors on the front, back, and bottom, which keeps this drone safer in flight and landing. It's a nice choice for people looking for the best follow-me drone in a portable form. Number 2. Alto Robotics EVO Roman 2 Foldable Drone. The ability to shoot footage in 8K and 6K does sound nice, but most computers aren't equipped to handle it right now. Also, the The high compression involved in storing footage of that size on a foldable drone can degrade its quality. With that said, the 4K video footage is beautifully crystal clear and sharp. The EVO Roman 2's coral-colored, rounded, foldable form makes it stand out in the pale, sharp-edged DJI lead crowd. As far as the flight goes, the EVO Roman 2 comes equipped with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, including 12 visual sensors and 2 ultrasonic sensors on the bottom of its body. It is easy to operate, with 3 intuitive smart flight modes and the ability to handle high winds. It is missing the popular automated flight programs that allow you to film a drone or rocket clip where the drone quickly flies away from you or straight up above you. However, you can find some of those features in the best selfie drones. Number 1. DJI Mavic Pro 2. The DJI Mavic Pro 2 is our top pick with superior image and video quality, obstacle avoidance, and excellent battery life. The brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor on the Hasselblad Lone D20 camera has an advanced active sensing area, making it easier than ever to shoot high-quality videos and photos even in low-light settings. The remote control utilizes an ultra-bright 5.5-inch 1080p display that helps you to maintain clear visibility even in direct sunlight. Multiple intelligent flight features make this piloting experience exciting for beginners and pros alike. The pause button acts as emergency braking and will stop the unit in its tracks, causing it to hover until you command it otherwise. You might also be interested in the best vlogging camera to add to your content creation toolkit. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best foldable drone in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.